back with another resin video. I'm Earthly Jewels Boutique. Hi everybody, I'm Earthly Jewels Boutique and back with another resin video. Today I am working with these fidget spinners that I just recently got. I'm going to be doing this for market prepping, and I decided to just do something quite easy. I'm going to work with these glitters and maybe just mix them up here in the spinners itself. So I have 7 types of glitters here. I've got the True Lavender. I have Lucky Green, which looks like that. I have Royal Blue. This is the just red. That's pretty. We have Plum Crazy. This is one of my favorite ones. It's called Cosmic. It looks like that, very glittery. And last one is the Aqua holographic. So I took out 7 cups as well and mix the glitter on that. And then for each one, I'm just gonna kind of mix 2 colors on each of the fidget spinners. I'm gonna go ahead and mix about 8 ounces. I think that should be enough for this, but we'll see. And I'll be back once I have this all mixed up. So I'm now just separating the resin into smaller containers, and I'm going to mix the glitter into these smaller containers. So just kind of evenly distributing them. Some of them have a little bit more compared to the others, but we don't have to be too exact here. We should be fine. And you know what? I'm gonna leave just a tad bit of resin, like clear resin in here, because just to kind of fill up the top. We'll see if we need that. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the glitter on each one. And I got a little bit of resin on the countertop here. We don't want it to be sticky or anything like that, so let's clean that up. Okay, so let's do this. I should have done 8 so that it's even, but we already poured it, so alright, let's get going here. I'm gonna start with this one, and I'm not measuring it or anything, just gonna give a nice shake into each one. Red. We've got my favorite, the Plum Crazy. We may need to add more. Oh, this is my favorite. I'm gonna see which one has the most here. Let's do that. Ooh. Then we got this one. So I got all of these glitters from Hobby Lobby. I haven't tried any glitters from the Amazon stores that I see all the time there, but these have been working out pretty well for me. Okay. And I think let's add a little bit more of this. It looks a little thin. Okay, So I'm gonna mix these up real quick. Start with this. Again, that looks like I should add a little bit more on that. I don't know if I should go ahead and add some of the Elmer's glue on these, because the Elmer's glue helps to disperse the glitter, but these are pretty thin. These molds are really thin. They probably will end up in the bottom, so I might just get the tiniest bit of Elmer's glue and put it in each one. Like dip this into the Elmer's glue. Oh, the red definitely needs more. Well, maybe not. Maybe a tad. This is a thinner glitter, so it looks like the thinner glitter needs a little bit more in it. I'm gonna add just a tad bit more. Oh, not that. This one. There. So now we are ready to pour it into our molds here. Actually, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this Elmer's glue in each one. I'm just gonna pour the Elmer's glue on here and then just do like a touch of it. Like that. Just a tiny bit for each one. So the Elmer's glue helps to disperse the glitter and helps it from sinking in the bottom, but when you do use it, it gets very chunky, so I don't even know if that does anything. There. So you can tell that it's already having some kind of reaction. So that's that. Gonna grab a little bit, put it in the green. Okay, yeah, so just even that tiny bit works. It makes it like gooier. Okay, I'm gonna do that with the rest of them, just so that we have a nice dispersion of the glitter. It does make it a little bit harder to pour though, but I mean it's worth it because of the final effect of the glitter. Okay, so the resin is all mixed in with the glitter and I'm ready to pour them in here. So I'm just gonna randomly pick 2 colors and start pouring on the different ones. So I just want 2 colors on each one. And again, you can see that it's a little bit thicker now, so it becomes more difficult to pour when you have that glue on there, but hopefully it won't be too bad. I am back. It hasn't been 24 hours. It's only been about probably 12 hours. And these are not completely set yet. If you can see, they're still very bendy, but they are pretty cured, like you can touch them. So I'm too excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and unmold these and see how they look. Some of them I think didn't turn out too well, like this one is kind of strange, so that's alright. I can keep that for myself, but if you can take a look at the others, they look pretty cool so far. I think this one looks pretty cool too, and I do want to see what it looks like when I put the little hardware on it. So let's start out with this one. And comes out pretty easily, and it still has like little bits overflow, but I can just pull it off at this time, and that's what it looks like. So it has some grooves, and I think I'll paint that in with a different color, maybe like a black marker or acrylic paint on it. I can also put probably like a UV resin on it with a color, but I think I'll just do like a marker on that. So that's one. Let's do this one. Yeah, it's very soft still. And that's another one. This one has a star as well, so that one can be painted in too. And I definitely don't think I like the two colored ones. They didn't really blend that well for that one, at least. Let's take a look at this one. This one feels very thick. Again, it has a little groove here that you can put a different color on it. That's 3. Let's do this one. This one I only did one color, and it's just the red. Oh, it's very soft. I'm gonna have to make sure that I lay it flat. Oh, and there's a couple bubbles on that one. Let's get it popped. That one looks pretty cool. Yeah, they all have some kind of grooves that you're gonna want to put color in. But that looks cool. Yeah, I think I would want to maybe paint some of it in with mica powder. Let's do this one. This one I did two-tone red and green, and I think that one looks kind of funny as well, so I know to do it differently next time. So that one looks pretty cool. There's that. And this one is a flower. This one is a two-tone, but it kind of blended pretty nicely, so I think that one is okay. And yeah, I still prefer it being one color, I think. But I think the design is really cute for this one, especially. It's like a flower. Let's do this one. This one is my least favorite one. I think it turned out kind of funky, but that's all right. Oh, and there's excess here, I believe. I'm gonna have to cut this part out. So that's that. And the last one, I think this one looks really cool. And it's a little bit hard to get out because it's so soft. There we go. Yeah, that looks cool. There's a little bit of excess right here, which I think I could just pull off right now. Alright, so this one's really malleable. And for the last one, this one turned out okay too, even if it's 3 colors. And it's very soft right now. And that's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cool, a little bit see-through. I think next time I'm going to try to work with some mica powders, paint in the molds, and see how that would look. Let's see which one is the hardest one here, and I'm going to try to put one of the... They're all pretty soft. Okay, I'm going to do this one. And let me grab a little hardware for it. Let me put these aside. All right. So we have 3 pieces to this. Oops, that one's already doing that. Okay. There, 2 pieces of this. This one has kind of like a hole, and this is like the male part. And then you have this part. So I'm gonna put this on to this one, and then put that in here. Well, it might be easier to put this in here first. Yep, that's much easier. And then stick this in, and it fits nicely. If I hold that, it's already spinning. And then we'll put this in here. And I don't know if you can take it out again. Yep, that worked. And there you go. So I do like how the colors blend together when you're spinning it. And I don't know if you can take it apart again once it's in. Yep, you can. So I'm gonna try the other ones. Oops. Let's try this guy. And I'm not gonna put that top part. Let's see. Well, maybe I should. There. It does spin much better. So that's just a fidget toy. Oh. And right now it's really soft. Let's try this guy out. That one looks pretty cool. And let's try one more. Gears. And I guess that is that for now. I'm not going to try all of them since they are pretty soft, but I might make a separate video with the different ones and spinning it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to try these molds again. I think this is going to be great for market prepping and for selling during the market season. It doesn't take, the molds don't take very much resin, so I believe, I think I would say about 4 ounces for all of them. So yeah, I thank you for watching this video and hope you'll come back again next week. I do resin videos every week, so I hope you come back again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I'll see you again soon.